health visitor invitation to 9 to 11 months review. Alalia had her 1-year check with the nurse. And what did the nurse say, Aliyah? Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na kung meron kayong mga worries sa life, i-surrender nyo sa Lord. Surrender nyo. Hello guys! It's another day, another vlog. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana ay okay kayo. So today is 17th of August 2025. Ang time is 1:30 in the afternoon. Maganda ang panahon guys ngayon. Pakita ko sa inyo sa garden namin. Still summertime dito sa UK. So ayan. Clear sky, blue sky, walang hangin, hindi mainit, hindi rin malamig. Yan. Siyempre, we took the time to, laba. Ayan, may mga labada kami dyan. Yan. So, nasa taas sila, Aliyah and Daddy. Natutulog. They're having a nap. Whereas me, andito ako sa kusina kasi I'm doing a homework. A homework kasi tomorrow guys, mayroong tinatawag na health visitor invitation to 9 to 11 months review. Si Aliyah. Pero, supposed to be nung July ito. Pero, hindi kami nakapunta because I had to go to work for my keeping in touch days. So, guys, dito sa UK, I'm not sure sa Philippines, I'm sure they do checks naman. Like, for example, sa mga health center, ganon. Dito, kasi, they review the babies, yung mga bata. So, tinitingnan nila yung development nila and possibilities siguro ng mga problems. Like, for example, if yung bata has signs of mga ADHD or developmental delays, mga ganon. So, nurses. Ayan. So, titignan natin kung papasa ang baby. Pero, trinay na namin, pumasa naman siya. Katulad nito, is your baby's body relax? Saan yung first question? Ito. Does your baby laugh or smile at you and other family members? Does your baby look for you when strangers come near? Does your baby like to play near or be with family and friends? Does your baby like to be picked up and held? When upset, can your baby calm down within half hour? Does your baby stiffen and arch back when picked up? Does your baby like to play games such as peekaboo? Yung mga ganun. Ano ba? Is your baby interested around her such as people, toys, and foods? Does it take longer 30 minutes to feed your baby? Do you and your baby enjoy mealtime together? Yung mga ganong questions. Anyway, guys, so, ang appointment namin tomorrow is 9 o'clock sa umaga. Kaya may time ako ngayon, so gagawin ko na. So, let's go, guys. Let's do this. Iba to. Meron din tong communication, gross motor, fine motor, checks, problem solving, personal and social, and then overall. Ang dami. Tapos i-update ko na lang kayo. Pero feeling ko I can't bring you with us inside. So, gagawin na ni Mommy ang kanyang assignment because this is important. Wow. 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 What have you got in there? Show mom. Show mommy. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Leah, are you vlogging? Hello, everyone, you say. Hi, everyone. I just had my 1-year check by the nurse, and I am doing great with my milestone. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Hi guys! So, nakabalik na tayo dito sa bahay. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina because maaga kaming pumunta. Yeah! That's right! So, yes, guys. Alalia had her 1-year check with the nurse. And what did the nurse say, Aliyah? She's doing great. Aliyah's doing great with her milestones. So, sabi niya, lahat daw ng checklist ni Aliyah is good. Pamasa naman daw siya. So, yes guys, we're glad that the nurse is happy about Aliyah's growth. Weight as well, pero nasa 25th centile pa rin si Aliyah. She's really a small baby, as we expect. Pero she follows the curve naman. No? This is Daddy's hat. Hat. Yes, Daddy's hat. Nice. So, yes guys, yun yung update. Okay naman, masaya ang nurse sa kanyang growth, milestones, and yeah, nakita naman niya kasi they let them play dun sa floor and then interact with us. She saw how she interact with us. And also, yun lang, yung update lang ng 12 months immunization niya. And she has to get those immunization. And then, yeah, I think we're doing great with Aliyah, which is I'm happy about to share it with all of you guys. Kasi since the beginning, I share stuff with you here online, and yeah, I think we're doing great with Aliyah. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy, guys. Yun lang. Mayroon lang mga safety things na ni-remind sa amin, like yung gate, stair gate, which is meron na nga kami. Meron din kaming what do you call this one? Yung mga cupboard, yung mga cabinet, kailangan nakalock. Or mayroon siyang parang locking system na dapat naming i-install. Lalo na yung mga cleaning products like bleach. Yung basta anything solution na pwede nilang accidentally mainom. Hopefully not. And then, yung mga medicines, ganun, kailangan, it should be locked up or naka-lock talaga. Hindi kailangan accessible sa mga bata. Yun yung kailangan namin gawin. And also, magpa-register sa dentist. Ayun. Anyway, guys, yun lang yung update for today. We will just be staying indoors. Kanina, dapat I will bring Aliyah sa library. But, mas hindi maganda yung panahon. And then, we forgot her water. So, kailangan namin bumalik. So, ako na, hindi na ako push na lumabas kasi hindi maganda yung araw. Yung panahon. It's gray outside. I'll show you. Dito sa loob, you can see gray siya sa labas. Ayan. Hindi siya yung katulad kahapon na mainit, ganun. So, hindi, guys. Hey. Oh, come on. Let's put it in. Put it in, put it in, put it in the ring. Put it in the ring inside there. Right, let's take this up then. Okay. Oh, put it. Yeah! Yeah! Well done! Good job! Kasama ko ngayon si Aliyah pero nasa likod siya. So, kanyang car seat. And, we are in town. Meron lang kaming mga errands dito sa town. And, nakatulog siya guys on the way here. But anyway, she's happy, sleeping. So, hopefully, mag-sleep siya ng matagal. Anyway guys, meron lang akong i-drop off sa post office na mga binili ko online pero hindi sila nagkasya sa akin. Today, just to mark today, you know, I have realized something. You know what guys, I want to share with you. Talagang God is faithful. You know, if you pray hard and if you put your trust in Him, talagang He is faithful. Napatunayan ko yan ngayong araw. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na kung meron kayong mga worries sa life, i-surrender nyo sa Lord. Surrender nyo. As you know, I had to go to a 12 months maternity leave. And obviously, if you are on a 12 months maternity leave, you're not paid the whole time. So, starting at 6 months, guys, talagang nare-reduce na yung income ko. Though, I'm still paid by the hospital and by the government. Sobrang reduce na talaga yung income ko. So, meaning, dun sa yung income namin ni Andy, both of us, are, syempre, hindi na ganun, hindi the same, right? But we have bills to pay. And then, we decided to go on holiday pa. Umuwi pa kami ng Philippines.